What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Day here, back again for another video, and this is going to mark the start of my new Uprofit 30k static drawdown account. It's basically a new account, a new prop firm that I'm going with, and like I said, they have static drawdowns. This is like one of the most important factors when it comes to trading my breakout strategy with gold. I kept saying it over and over again that I didn't want to trade it with trailing drawdown challenges, because once I take a loss, I take a loss. So now that I found a static drawdown account with another futures prop firm, I went with them. I like everything that's going on so far. Non-affiliation, but this might be probably one of the best prop firms that I traded with so far. But for now, we're just gonna go over the trade. I'm gonna show y'all what happened, and yeah, we're gonna get this video started. I appreciate y'all as always for tuning in, and yeah, let's get right to it. All right, so basically, as you can see on the screen, I'm just basically getting everything right with my calculations. I'm using the NYSE breakout strategy that I posted like yesterday or something like that. So this is a new account. The balance right here, 30k. Static drawdown, no trailing drawdown, nothing like that. And this is basically just me setting up the 930 candle, anticipating like the buy stop and the sell stop. So right here currently I'm just getting my orders in right, trying to get everything right, setting the orders and stuff. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit so y'all can see both orders. All right, so like right here, so I have both of my orders set. So this is looking kind of sloppy because I realized that I had my lines extended out. So you see like all my orders, the lines extend out. So from before, when I showed y'all the trades, I didn't have the lines extended out like that. So that's why it looks kind of like all over the place. But later on in the video, I realize it and I go to like turn the lines off so it can look a little bit more clearer. But kind of bear with me like for this like very moment right here. So yeah, so basically this is the 930 candle where my cursor is. I'm waiting for the anticipation of the 940 candle to like break it out. Right there, I'm just setting up my halfway point so I'll be able to, you know, move my stop loss and cut it in half. You know, the usual thing that I do, the usual thing that I did with my funded futures. You know what I'm saying, just bringing it over to Uprofit now that I can trade with static drawdown. You know what I'm saying, it makes a huge difference, bro. All right, so basically, as you can see, like these two green lines right here, this line right here and this line right here, I basically have like my halfway mark set, and as you can see right there as well, I've gotten into a sell trade. So what I'm doing is I'm canceling the buy trade, just trying to make everything more clearer. Those are the notifications that pop up on the left side, trying to make everything clear, while also trying to show y'all the trade as well too. So right now I'm just kind of like adjusting everything, making sure everything is straight. The Fibonacci, I had to like remove it. As you can see right there, I took it off the screen. I had to remove it. I had to place it the other way so the 80% line could be at the top, the 40% line could be at the bottom, because initially when the 930 candle was printing, it was printing more towards the upside. So I was kind of anticipating a buy stop move, but price came to the downside and broke it out to the downside, right? So that's why I'm going to be adjusting my Fibonacci. Let me fast forward this a little bit. I also went to like this full screen kind of mode so y'all can see the balance. I know y'all can see the P&L like right here, but y'all can also see the balance right there, just so you know this is a journey. So I'm gonna, you know, show y'all everything, you know what I'm saying. So price that came to my green line, right? So once price gets to like my 0.25 RR point, that's when I cut my stop loss in half. That's what you're seeing right now. I'm basically moving my stop loss from the 80% line to the 40% line, and you know, the usual stuff, you know what I'm saying. Like I'm explaining it. I'm gonna explain it in like every like type of video that I do, because I may have new viewers on my channel who like hasn't really seen the strategy before. But for my existing viewers, my existing like subscribers, y'all already know like how, you know, I do my strategy and all that stuff. So yeah, basically I moved my stop loss, cut it in half. I also like took away the extended line. So as you can see, like the yellow, the red, the green right here, it doesn't extend out anymore. That's why it was looking kind of like messy. So my apologies for that too. It was kind of all over the place. I don't like having my charts like looking like that, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so currently we just had immense like bearish pressure, bro. Like this trade really didn't even have drawdown. It had like what, one point worth of drawdown, and then other than that it just went straight to the TP, bro. So just a lot of bearish pressure, bro. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of bearish pressure. I think at the end of like my trade or something like that, I think that's when it like went down like a little bit more, and then it like shot back up. So that's what I'm saying, bro. That's why I love this system. That's why I love trading negative RR. I mean, right now currently it's a positive RR because, you know, I have my risk management plan, cut my stop loss in half. We're good. This is like a 1.112 RR now. So I like trading quick moves because I don't like being in the market that long. I like just getting in and out, getting a short-term move, seeing those consistent wins, and just going about my day. Honestly, that's my preferred trading style, and that's what's been working for me for the past like year and a half, because I started seeing profitability around like my third year once I switched to lower RR and negative RR and stuff like that. So you can see like, you know, just prices kind of just hovering over that that halfway point. for the most part, it was just hovering right there. You know what I'm saying? I was already like feeling good about this trade strictly because off rip we had that New York Stock Exchange volatility. Once I see stuff like that, that's when I really start feeling like confident in the trade. I start to see that pressure, I start to see that off rip volatility, and you know what I'm saying, this is the outcome, this is what we get. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, right now it's very close to my TP. I think it's about to hit it. There it goes, hit it in a second. So yeah, that was pretty much like a 5-minute trade, if I'm not mistaken. That trade was really quick, I'm not gonna lie. So that's basically the trade that happened right there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna talk about Uprofit, talk about it for a little bit, so I can like, you know, explain my reasonings on why like I think Uprofit is going to be one of the top like prop firms that I've traded with. And yeah, so started with number one, basically static drawdown. You know what I'm saying? They have static drawdown accounts. So you see how my balance right there is at 285 basically, right? So let's say I lose that, right? Let's say I lose like the whole thing tomorrow, I'm back to break even. Basically I can't go below $1,000 less of 30k. You know what I'm saying? So basically 29,000, I can't go like up over that. Once I go below that, then I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Like I blow the account, all that stuff. That's always gonna be the marking point of the drawdown, right? Nothing trails, nothing's trailing you behind. You don't gotta worry about like, you know what I'm saying, like trailing drawdown when it comes to taking losses, accepting a losing day. Nothing trails, bro. The drawdown is always gonna remain at 29,000, bro. So that's what I really love, bro. Static drawdown, this is what I'm talking about. This is where I feel like real trading is, bro, because that trailing drawdown stuff is not real trading, bro. I don't care what anybody say, bro. Like it's doable, you know what I'm saying? I did take a payout with trailing drawdown. I had to go through end of day trailing drawdown. I did take a payout. I have gotten funded a lot of times, but it's like that it doesn't simulate real trading, bro. And I get it, you know what I'm saying? This is no like complaint. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm grateful for like prop firms for even being in the space in the first place, but it doesn't simulate real trading. Like it really doesn't simulate it. When you go into a personal account, you know what I'm saying, you don't deal with trailing drawdown. I never in my life liked trailing drawdown, bro. If I'm trading on my personal account and I'm making withdrawals, I'm doing what I gotta do, I'm able to see results, see data and all that stuff, I'm trading the exact same way on my personal account with static drawdown, and I'm trading the exact same way on an account with trailing drawdown, and I don't make like the withdrawals, the proper withdrawals that I'm supposed to be making, something is wrong, because nothing has changed. You know what I'm saying? So if that's gonna affect like the way how I trade, if that causes me to have to change like my trading style, basically like take more trades, maybe, I don't know, just do whatever I gotta do, I'm not trying to go through the adjustment, because I came a long way trying to build up my whole like trading personality, my whole trading style, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like this is one of the most important reasons on why I went with Uprofit, because they have a static drawdown account. Second reason for going with Uprofit is their payout policy. So I might put something up on the screen to like kind of like, you know, indicate like some of the rules on the payout policy, but basically once I get funded, right, mind you, my drawdown is still static. Once I take a payout, I can take 100% of that payout and my drawdown is still the same, the exact same. With futures prop firms, most of them, once you take a payout, you kind of got to leave room for a buffer. You got to like build a buffer within the profits that you make. It's just a lot, like it's a lot going on. I'm not like saying it's impossible, but it's just a lot going on, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to do all that. I'm here to trade, here to make money. If I win, I win. I lose, I lose. Not trying to go through all that extra stuff, you know what I'm saying? So it's not impossible. Once again, it's not impossible. There's plenty of people who makes it like work, but for my style, my preference and stuff like that, I'd rather just have like the drawdown just be the same even after I take a payout, right? And the thing with Uprofit is that it's like that even with their end of day drawdown accounts, bro. That's like the only prop firm that I know that doesn't move the drawdown after taking a profit. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, that's golden, you know what I'm saying? I feel like nobody's really talking about it because nobody really have the experience of trading with Uprofit. So I'm gonna be the first one to kind of present this to y'all. Y'all can go check it out yourselves. See if it's like good for y'all. Like I said, unaffiliated. I'll never have any type of affiliation with any type of prop firm on this channel because I need to speak like my mind. It needs to speak my truth. I'm never gonna be like locked behind something, you know what I'm saying, to where I gotta kind of fake it for my viewers, you know what I'm saying? That's really not authentic to y'all, you know? So talking about the payout policy, so basically the payout policy is also very good too. Basically you just need 4 winning days, have a consistency rule of 30%, which is not honestly that bad. Like I had a lot of problems with my consistency rule with my funded futures. I secured a whole 3k payout and I broke my like consistency rule, so I couldn't even take the payout, and then that led to like losses. Then I made my accounts back up, the trailing drawdown, more consistency rules I broke. So now that I got a good understanding of how consistency rules work, basically you meet the 30% consistency rule, right? You only need 4 winning days, and then you could take a withdrawal, right? Remember, I said that the drawdown stays the same, so you don't gotta build a buffer, you don't gotta meet no buffer zone. You just make your money and then you can withdraw. You know what I'm saying? That's how it should be, in my opinion. I understand it from a business standpoint why, you know, certain platforms do what they do, but in my opinion, that's like, that brings me back to like forex like type platforms, you know what I'm saying? So where you could just make money, withdraw, you don't gotta worry about like XYZ, all this other stuff, all these like loopholes that you gotta like work around. It's nothing like that, right? So basically, that's what I like, bro. Like 4 winning days, you can make a withdrawal as long as you meet the consistency rule. You're good. The consistency rule isn't even really a problem once you understand it for real. Just trade, you know what I'm saying? Just trade the same way, keep the same type of like contract size, lot size, whatever you're doing. And if you do go over the consistency rule, don't go over it too much to the point where you have to like make more money, you know what I'm saying? So one more thing, I think like I like them because they have Tradingview finally. The main reason why I never went with Uprofit is because they always had like Rhythmic type stuff. They always had like NinjaTrader. I wasn't using NinjaTrader at the time. Then I think they had like, yeah, like I said, other Rhythmic platforms. I'm not really a big fan of Rhythmic. They have too many like platform issues in my opinion. Not when it comes to personal accounts, but when it comes to prop firms, Rhythmic is not good, bro. Like it's really not good. In my personal experience, y'all could, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can have different like experiences with everything, but for me, I've had horrible experiences with Rhythmic, bro. So with futures prop firms, as you know, you gotta wait till like the market close, like the end of the day, to see like your you know what I'm saying, like your dashboard update. This is literally like right now, like the time right now is 12:13, right? So basically it's not the end of the day, it's still the trading session, you know what I'm saying? It's basically afternoon session for me, and I'm already seeing a reflection of the trade that I took, you know what I'm saying? So that's a whole nother, that's a beautiful pro, because sometimes I wanted to see like certain numbers, I wanted to see like my account reflect that same time, you know what I'm saying? I know forex prop firms do that, but a majority of futures prop firms, it would still show like 0 across like the whole like dashboard. And then once it's end of the day, that's when you'll see like the updated stuff. So basically my account balance is at 285 in profit. We have a $2,000 profit target, so hopefully I can get to that, and then I could go to the funding stage and do what I gotta do. And yeah, I just like the layout, bro. The layout is just very simple. You know, it shows you everything that you need. It even shows you a tool for your consistency, bro. Like most prop firms, when they have consistency rules, or when they have like rules that may like you may not like fully understand, or maybe like you need to actually visually see it, they don't have anything like this, bro. Like this right here, it shows you your highest day. It shows you, like, for example, I think my funded futures, like the consistency, you got to calculate everything yourself. And even though it's not hard to calculate, I just like visually seeing everything all at once, you know what I'm saying? So this is amazing to me. You know what I'm saying? They got the activity, they got the trade history, and yeah. So basically, as you can see right here, this is like Tradingview, like where my cursor is. You can go through there and log in with like whatever credentials like they gave you, and then you'll be able to access Tradingview. So yeah, that's how you do that from there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is gonna mark episode 1 of this series, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe, and I'm out.